let's redo it here, looking at another exam question. So a 10-month forward contract was issued on the 1st of September that time, and this is 10 months, for a share. It started at £10 at that date. Dividends of £1 per share were expected on the 1st of December, 1st of March, and the 1st of June. So, what is the forward price assuming risk-free rate? It's 8% per annum, convertible half yearly, and there's no arbitrage. Alright, so let's just have a look at this. We're looking at 10 months. So, starting at 0. Now, it's worth £10 over here. In 3 months, we are getting £1. 6 months, we're getting another £1. 9 months, we're getting another one, and then we're going to pay some amount over here to get the stock rather than paying 10 over here. Okay, and then we can also work out, we're going to need to find out the effective interest rate. I mean, you can figure it out many different ways, but I just like to do that. So I would just find 1.04 squared minus 1, and that's going to give us my effective rate. And so let's just find out what the forward rate is, what this K is. So let's first discount it to the present value. So that's going to be times V 10 over 12, because we're going back 10 over 12 months. And it's going to be equal to our £10 minus these payments over here. So that's 1 V to the power of, that's a quarter, and then minus V to the power of a half, minus V to the power of 3/4. And then we can just get K by itself. So let's figure that one out. Alright, so the effective rate, I'll just quickly do 1.04 squared minus 1, so that's what it is, that's I. Let's find out what V is equal to. 1 divided by 1 plus I. And now we'll just figure out K, so equal to 10 minus, that is V to the quarter, minus V to the half, minus V to the 3/4. And then that's the present value of the forward amount, so let's just put that in future terms. So it's that times 1 plus the interest rate, and then that is to the power of 10 out of 12 months. And this will give us our answer of 7.595 whatever pounds, so 7.60 pounds. So let's just write that down. 7.60 pounds. Okay, and then it says, explain why it is not necessary to use the expected price of the share at the time of the forward matures in the calculation of the forward prices. So why aren't we going to use what we think the share price is going to be in the future? Well, all that we're really doing is we're still kind of buying the share. We're just paying the money in the future. So we're just changing the amount that we're going to be paying, because we're going to be losing this amount of value that we're not getting. So if we assume that the share price 10, this has been decided by the market, and the market knows that we're going to be getting £1 in each quarter. So if I'm going to be buying this in 10 months time, I've already lost these pounds, so I want to get rid of that. So it's definitely going to be somewhere close to the £7 mark, assuming that I can't make any money out of this. And that's really what it is. And I've also got the opportunity to pay it later, so I can invest some money now. So really the amount that I could have invested was the figure we got before this, and invest that here. We miss out on these payments, and then I would own the share over here just by paying £7.6. So we can really do it just by using this price over here, this initial £10 price. We don't need to find any expected prices, which is, it doesn't really need to be done. So thanks a lot for watching, and ask if you have any questions about that.